You start with me.
Okay.
Changing the belt on a Troy-Bilt Pony 3? No, just a Troy-Bilt Pony.
7-speed transmission. I don't know.
Riding lawnmower.
Yeah. Okay, so we're pumping it up. We're gonna replace the belt right there. That makes the blade spin. We're raising it up right now. By the way, this is an R lawnmower.
Sure.
We're just fixing it. You should have brought a higher jack.
Probably should have.
Hey, you're not gonna have to be getting up under there. You just need it a little bit higher.
Well, as high as I can go.
Well, look, cause the belt's actually completely off. It's off these.
I bet it hasn't been running.
Okay, well that's okay.
No, it's actually on here.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's not on these pulleys.
Yeah, if you tighten it.
It's not on this one.
Here, I'll show you.
No, it's not. Dude, no, it's not. Oh, okay.
It's just so loose.
It's super loose.
Alright, let me see if I can change it up.
Alright.
He's helping out too.
Let's see. Okay, yeah, look at him. He's helping us out. Sweet boy. Here's the belt. Super long. Gotta stand back. There it is.
You want to do it this way?
Yeah. That's it. That's good.
I'm going to step through the belt.
I don't know what that was for. We're like one of those guys that like joke around and do all this funny
Infinity
stuff. Okay.
and beyond.
You gonna help us out, buddy? Okay. So I can show y'all. We gotta take this belt off and put on the new one, which I don't think should be super hard. Just gotta know the belt alignment.
That brace, do you have to take the brace off?
I'm trying to, hold on, I can look. Even can. I can't really see, it goes so far up in there. This might take a while.
No, I think we gotta take this brace off though.
How do you?
Bolts.
Mm.
Alright. I'm gonna change clothes here.
Alright, we'll get back with you when he changes clothes. You wanna do the in and out thing?
Yeah. I'll be back with you. I just gotta change my clothes. We're at Cindy's dad's house.
Okay, so he changed. Okay, he's texting someone right now. So he's getting his tools out. He's got his tool bench thing out. I mean his tool set out. So, cause you gotta remove this brace down here. That
probably more of a guard than it is a brace.
Or yeah, guard, so the belt doesn't come off right here. So we can get the belt off. We'll show you how to remove that.
Let me get back in there, Henry.
Okay. Chimes. I'll get on the other side.
Okay.
And film it. I'm technically his cameraman.
Technically?
Yeah. Okay. I'll put it under here to show you how to do it. Hopefully I'm getting some good shots.
13. It's a 12.
that the right thing, you think?
I think it's a 13.
I mean, do you think that's the right thing to get it off?
Uh-huh. Alright, don't do that. Are you filming me?
Yeah, see right there. What's filming you undoing the... Is it a 13, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's a 13. You gotta tell him
13 millimeter.
Yeah. 13 millimeter. Oh, you're gonna have to get it off on the other side, probably. Yeah, you're gonna have to.
I don't think it's bolted over there.
It is. Oh, it's not.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Okay, Bilt. You may take it off on my side.
Hold on a second.
Okay.
How do you get...
Did you untighten it?
Yeah, just hold on a second. There's a guard we got to get past. I don't know how you do that.
Oh, right there.
I don't know how to do it. Hold on. See what happens if something.
Here, I'll tell you. Stay up there. Nothing.
Well, I can get past yours.
You may take it off this.
Can you get it off that?
Do you have a flathead screwdriver?
Find one. Let me see it.
Okay, now we're trying to get this belt off right here.
This guard may have to come off.
We're gonna have to take this guard off.
Maybe.
Probably. But if you can get yours off without taking the guard off, then that'll be good. So we're gonna take it off. When you get this size, you gotta tell them. Sorry.
Looks like it's a 10 millimeter.
10 millimeter. Okay. So 10 millimeter for these for this guard. If they're sitting, which you said left. Well, that might be pretty tight.
No, that doesn't seem right. Maybe 9 millimeter?
They look pretty small, so I don't know. Try that one. The one. Mine's close, but not quite. What size is that?
Well, I'm not sure it's right because it's a. Well, it's claiming it's a 10 millimeter, so let's see.
Hopefully we can get this off. Oh, here we go. So what size is that?
It's a. I'm using a 10 millimeter 6-point socket instead of a 12.
A 10 millimeter 6-point socket.
Seems a little loose to me.
It's working though, ain't it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. 10 millimeter 6-point socket. Once we get this guard off, you'll be able to see better. Sorry, is that coming?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Sorry, I don't mean to annoy you.
It's all right. You can't apologize on the YouTube videos, can we?
That's true. I mean, I can. Remember to subscribe. I mean, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I would highly recommend it. Wouldn't you? Wouldn't you recommend it?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's go. The mower, and I'm making a YouTube video for my dad's YouTube channel. No, you're good. Sorry. Okay. So he's trying to get this brace off. I'll get back with you when it's
Not really a
off.
brace cover.
Okay. So we got. I'll make sure you don't fall. We kind of got it off. We just left one bolt on.
I'll take it off.
Wait. Here, hold this. I can get it.
Just let me take it off.
Wait.
There's a nub thing that prevents it from coming out.
Almost got it. There you go.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right. Sorry. Thanks for holding the camera. Okay. Is it off?
Yeah, hold on.
What are you trying to get it past?
This piece right here.
Oh, that one guard piece?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's all right.
So we're just putting that at the ground. Okay, so we're trying to get past this one guard piece back there, that little piece sticking up. We've literally almost got the belt off, we just can't get it past that guard piece. I didn't know there was going to be so many braces, making sure it didn't.
Yeah, so it doesn't knock itself off.
That's true. Okay, I'm going to get with y'all back when we're done getting this brace off. Okay, so we got that off. Now we're putting the new belt in. Here, I'll come over here just in case you need me to run it. Trying to put the new belt in. Okay, so it's easier to get it in there than it is to get out.
Alright, let me go.
Okay.
Yours.
So he's got it through this little one, right? Got it through that one. Sorry.
Alright.
Trying to get over. So now he's running it way down there, all the way down to that one. So you kind of know how to run it.
I guess. Let me see.
So basically, to get it over that brace that I showed you. Oh, hold on, you're caught on here. Okay, go ahead. We had to like lift it over. It's kind of hard. Oh, you're so close. Yes.
There it is.
There we go.
I did that right.
So we got it around that. That's the little lip I was talking about. You got to get it over. It's hard.
I did that right. Let me look on the other side.
You haven't even ran it through this one.
Yeah, so I'm getting ready to work on.
Oh, what? Sorry.
Okay.
I feel like I'm saying sorry too much. So now you're gonna run it. You might have to take that off. I don't know. I'm just trying to get it through this pulley right there. You just gotta take it off and run it through there. So I'll get back with you when it's on there. Okay, so we got it wrapped around that one. It's pretty hard. It turns out we kind of did this wrong, so we kind of had to repeat it.
Yeah, I think that's it.
You've done it. You just need to tighten it on the...
Try dropping the
Okay.
lever up here, Henry.
Okay. Which one?
The inner one, I think.
This.
It's the one that's not nuts. Does that seem real tight? Too bad. I think that's right.
Oh yeah, that's way tighter.
And the other belt?
Yeah. Alright, so I think we have officially done it.
Well, we got to put some guards.
Well, we have to put the guards back on, but I think y'all can do that. So we just got to screw this back on, put that little guard back on over there,
Mm-hmm.
and I think that's it, right? I mean, we got to show us trying it, obviously. So I'll see you when we've got all the stuff back on. All right. So we're gonna drop it.
Get it down here, and we're shooting up.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna drop it. We just finished putting the braces on.
2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah.
Boom. All right. Okay. So we just did it. I'm proud of my dad because I could not do this.
You're good.
Well, he's the one who did most of the work. Pretty much all the work, actually. One last cool shot of it. Okay. Close it. Hold on, before you start it, I gotta. This is his little cool tool set. Beamers, don't.
Not right this minute, but maybe.
What'd she say?
She's asking.
There's slots here.
Yeah, there's not. My set's all jacked up.
There. Maybe this summer you can organize it or something.
Yeah, exactly.
Like your car.
Exactly. Go get Nana.
Alright. Okay. We can put it back on now. See if it cuts. Alright, he's turning on the blades. It's cutting. Dad. Woo! Let's go. That was it. It worked. So,
Smash that like button.
and subscribe.
All right. See you
And
later.
click the bell, because then you'll get notified when we,
Those notifications.
yeah, when we upload another
We'll be
video.
repairing more stuff soon, so come back and see us next time.
Bye.
Bye.